Alright, this is Mike with Carfix Auto, and as you guys can see, I have a steering wheel here. I pulled off, half of the wiring harness that is junk. You guys can see what we got it from. But these idiots are following the line where it's supposed to go. And let me grab my flashlight. So these dummies decided to cut the wires, and there is a harness that goes to the motor, and you get to disconnect everything with the wiring. If we're spending that much money for parts, and this is what I get, and mind you, it's tied directly into the motor. So if I have to do anything, I have to separate everything and go wire for wire, or connect the wires from here and bridge them together. Double the work, because these guys don't know how to take things apart. What's an extra second of grabbing the wire, following where it goes, see if there's a connector, removing the connector and giving the whole wire? This is useless to me now. LKQ, how much did they guys pay for this crap? And this is crazy. So National Autos is the purchaser, and mind you, he can't do nothing with it. I gotta bridge it and everything, and the chances of it working, it's 0% because you guys cut the wires off.